أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه وسلم وبعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My powerful reminder with you today, it is about sayings of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the topic is qawl al-haq, which means to say truth and also to say good things. We can say qawl al-khayr. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم لا تدعوا على أنفسكم إلا بخير فإن الملائكة يؤمنون على ما تقولون. رواه Muslim, hadith number 920. Holy Prophet Muhammad said, don't say bad things against yourself. Don't think negative about yourself, but think positive. Remain positive and spread positivity. لا تدعوا على أنفسكم إلا بخير. Think about good things for yourself, for your future. Don't feel inferiority complex. You can feel superiority complex. That's okay. You can do this in a good way, not in a bad way. Because whatever you say for yourself or against yourself, فَإِنَّ الْمَلَائِكَةَ يُؤْمِنُونَ عَلَى مَا تَقُولُونَ. Either good or bad you say against yourself, Malaika will say Ameen. It means you cause destruction for yourself. And may Allah protect us. Therefore, you need to take care of your tongue and you think before you talk. Okay? Hadith Rawahu Muslim. Hadith number 920. Don't think about the current situation, what is happening today. And think about Allah. Allah is Qadir, Al-Qadir, Al-Qahar, Al-Jabbar, Dhul Quwwati Al-Mateen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.